The most potent weapons used in the naval warfare is modern anti-ship missiles. These are long-range weapons that are very accurate at hitting the target vessels. Newer systems are developed to fly at extremely low altitude over the sea surface and are more difficult to radars to detect until the very last few seconds before hitting the water. The emergence of new technologies and weapons in the Navy is slowly transforming the Middle East maritime power. Dominating the seas, monitoring of maritime traffic, and the ability to strike long distances are becoming the key elements of regional policy. With these technologies constantly developing, it is possible to expect that naval forces will be even more influential in the process of designing security and stability in the region. With the development of offensive naval technology, defensive systems are also turning up. The warships of today have better radar and interception technologies that are used to identify the threats that are coming at a very earlier stage. These countermeasures are necessary to secure ships that run in militarized waters. There are also a few maritime routes in the Middle East that international trade passes through in large quantities. These waterways can be controlled to allow the countries to manipulate shipping routes and energy transportation. Due to this strategic value, naval capabilities along these routes are highly observed. Electronic warfare systems that are developed to destroy radar and communication signals have been incorporated in naval operations. These technologies are capable of disrupting the communications of an opponent to monitor ships or organize the defense actions. Naval forces can have an upper hand in maritime operations by compromising the detection systems. The submarine and underwater surveillance are also increasingly becoming a factor in the competition in the local naval affairs. Submarines offer the stealth opportunity that enables forces to spy on shipping routes or stay undetected in places of strategic locations. There is development of underwater sensors that are enhancing underwater activity detection. Other naval ships are fitted with long-range missile systems that can hit the target way past the coastline. These systems enable the ships to manipulate the occurrences in the distance without drawing near enemy defenses. This range is something that introduces a new dimension to naval force. High-speed assaulting boats of small scale still continue to be part of the naval strategy in the region. These ships can travel fast along small waterways and onshore. They are fast and have the ability to maneuver, hence they can move at high speeds and hit bigger ships with their missiles or other weapons and withdraw. Even the naval forces are relying on aerial drones to survey the maritime areas. These drones are able to fly over strategic waterways and offer real-time intelligence of the waterways of ships. Constant air surveillance can give the leaders of the Navy an idea of the possible threats and keep them informed of the happenings in vast expanses of the sea. USVs are emerging as a significant element in a new Navy policy. These unmanned or remote-controlled boats are able to patrol the coastal waters, collect intelligence and surveillance of the shipping activity. Since they do not have crews on board, they are able to stay longer in even dangerous regions.